Welcome to another session of MicroPython course. In this session, we are going to connect ESP32 with a Wi-Fi network. Connect your ESP32 to your laptop using a USB cable and reset your ESP32 by pressing enable or the reset button. MicroPython terminal is loaded or the shell is loaded. To connect with any network, you have to import network. Network is imported. Now we have to create an object. My object name is station. We are going to set it as a station mode. Make our object to be active. So how to make it active? We have to say true. Now station mode get activate. So it is get activated. For scanning any of the network available around, the command is object created, that is station dot scan. Here these are the result. Here's one network is UMIDO, another is ESB AP, another is Huawei, another is ESB AP, one more, then Airtel. These are the SSID of different network. So these are the strength of each and every network. This command check is it connected to any of the network. Mistake. So it is connected. Now it is showing okay, it is not connected to any of the network, that's why it is returning false. I am going to connect with UMIDO network. How to connect? Station, that is our object, dot connect. We have to pass SSID and password. Here you have to pass your SSID. In my case, I am passing my SSID, UMIDO, comma. You have to pass the password. In my case, this is the password. I'll change that later. Now let's see. Now I hope it is connected. Now we can check is it connected or not by station.isConnected command. Now it is showing that true. That means it is connected. The ESP32 is connected to my network, local IP address of my ESP32 by using the command station is our object created if config. Now by this command, this is the IP address. So it is showing the IP address, subnet mask and everything. So this is the way we can make sure that it is connected to Wi-Fi, or we can make it connect. I hope you understood this. Now what we have to discuss little bit detail. Till this many videos we discussed code and it is saved in the laptop or the desktop. Some programs we also saved into the ESP32. When you check on this MicroPython device, the file system, the boot.py is the main file here. This is one of the file which we saved from the last session. I'm just going to delete this. When the ESP32 boots up, the first file is going to run is boot.py. So we can check what are the things inside. So these are the commands inside boot.py. We don't want to change anything in the boot.py. Now once the boot.py is run, the next one by default the ESP32 check for a file called main.py. Now we haven't made any file called main.py. So if a main program is there, you have to create your project into main.py. If the power is gone, once the power come back, after boot.py, program will go to and check for the main.py, then the program will run. we are going to write a code for auto connect to Wi-Fi network. We know that what are the commands we wanted to use. I am going to create a function keyword def connect import network your SSID your password. Let me write. We wanted to create our object. Here we had created like something called station. Same way I can create here. Station is the object. Activates the station mode in the ESP32 by the command activate this the object connect to our network. So that's the one we used here, SSID and password. Okay, you can change here your SSID and password while station dot is connected equal to false. That means if it is not connected, then just pass means then it will not do anything. Otherwise you can make it printed. Okay, let it be print not connected to network. You can give anything, otherwise you can put pass over there. Other case we can print the connection is successful. Also we can make it print what is the configuration, that is the IP address. For that we can use print. We use this one. Okay, you can copy and paste over here. I'm going to save into MicroPython device name called a connect Wi-Fi. Like that. Just copy this one also. We need this later. Make always to get it connect auto connect. For that, after boot.py, the another file which is running is main.py. So I wanted to create some file called main.py. Control S. To the same MicroPython device, make sure that main.py. Okay, I just save this to the device. Now in this case, we have created a complete function that is connect Wi-Fi. So I can import this complete module to main.py. So how we can do our own module import? We have to call the same way here how we have saved. Okay, I just imported that. Under this particular module there is only one function. That function is connect. Now I have to call that particular function. How I have to use that function? Connect Wi-Fi. Okay, dot I wanted to make it connect, that is from here to here, so I can use connect. Now let me save. Now you see connection is successful. Then it is showing also the IP address which is allocated by the router to ESP32. I have done some corrections. Earlier I have put in double quotes by considering the previous one of our program. So actually this value have to pass to this variable. So you can directly give the variable name here, not in double quotes. Then I have added some time also here, so it makes enough time to make it connect. Now what I am going to do, I am going to reconnect the ESP32. After reboot, you can Control plus D. Now after soft reboot, connection is successful. It's again given the IP address. Now let's check for the hard reset. I just removed, I just reconnected. I'm not going to do any coding here. I'm just going to just reinitiate the RPL. Now MicroPython RPL is loaded. Now after trying so many number of times, it is again connected successfully to our Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood almost the basic of MicroPython series. See you on next set of videos or next set of course with the advanced features of MicroPython soon.